This is Engineering Toys, Lesson 4, Building Catapults. So in this lesson, students are obviously going to be building catapults. To start though, they're going to be making some tops. So to do this, they're going to need the paper cardboard sheets with the hole in the middle and the pointed stick. So what they're going to want to do is just, of course, put the stick through the hole and let that glue. And then maybe, since this needs to be straight so the stops spin straight, put some books underneath it so it glues straight. But by the time it's done, the student should have a top that they can use. Next, students are going to be building the catapults. In their student workbooks, there are some instructions on how to do so, as well as some sheets where they can graph out how they control the distance that their catapult could shoot and how to improve their catapult even. To assemble the catapult, students are going to need a cut bottle, 2 rubber bands, a stick that's not pointed, a craft stick, a paper cup or a plastic cup, depending on your kit, some masking tape, and 3 cotton balls. So to begin, students should put some sand in the bottom of the cup, and then use the top of the bottle to weigh it down, keep it there. Then take 1 rubber band and loop it through the hole in the side of the cup. So to do so, just push one end of the rubber band through the hole and loop the other one through it, like so. Pull it tight. It's likely that rubber bands are going to break at this point, so it's good to have a couple on hand. That'll stay just there. Next part, you're gonna want to just use a rubber band to make kind of a T shape out of these, like so. So have students tighten this as much as they can without breaking the rubber band, but just wrapping it around the center. Once that's done, students are going to take these cups and just a little bit of masking tape and tape the cup to one end of the craft stick, like so. And the final step for the assembly of the catapult is taking the pivot point and pushing it through these holes in the cup. It's important that the catapult is facing the rubber band that they put in the cup previously. And finally, just loop the rubber band that you put through the cup earlier over the end of the craft stick to give the catapult its spring, like so. And there's the catapult. So students can now use the cotton balls and fire them with the catapult and make sure that everything works. Make sure students also don't shoot the catapult at each other. And that concludes lesson 4.